I used to make my hand die. He'd be screaming or whatever. And if he wouldn't stop, I'd tell him he was hurting me. I'd tell him he was killing me. In fact, that's what I said. I said, "You don't want to kill mommy, do you?" And I would make my hand die like this. And he would get this little look on his face, and he would stop. It was very effective. I can't help but think now that that was perhaps not perfect parenting, but it worked. And I needed anything that worked. I was 18 when I got married, 18 fucking years old, barely out of diapers, to my first leading man, Dixon McGreedy. Remember him? Yeah, me neither. Just the way he used to introduce himself should have tipped me off. Dixon McGreedy, rhymes with seedy. Boy, sexual harassment that just worked out. That's what we called it. I thought it was funny and charming at the time, like we beat the system. What did all of those adults know who told us to wait, who told us we were too young? I knew it was perfect. It was true love. What could possibly go wrong? I'd ask my mother during one of our stupid, endless fights. Well, as it turns out, many things could go wrong, and did. Wonderfully wrong. And at 21, I had my first hit movie, my first tabloid scandal, and was a divorced mother of a 2-year-old son. And the universe said, well, good luck with that. So, my point is, don't judge. You've all done it perfectly well, haven't you? Love, life, career, fidelity, passion. Well, all right then. Now, those of you who are deeply fulfilled, socially responsible, vegan millionaires who work out and have sex 3 times a week, you can judge. But the rest of you, stop. I'm doing the best I can. I mean, I don't hate him. How could I? I don't hate him. He bothers me.